In this quick video, I'll show you how to cut video in VLC media player. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So first of all, open any video in VLC media player. Then we need to go to view and then enable advanced controls from here, and you will see these new options on bottom. Now what we need to do is go to the first second from where you want to start trimming or cutting your video. I want to cut my video from 10 seconds to 15 seconds. So for that, firstly I'll go to the 10 second, then tap on this red icon which is record. Once you tap on it, now play your video and go to the last second where you want to end your video. So I'll go to the 15 seconds. I want to cut my video from 10 seconds to 15 seconds. That's why I have recorded it. And once you're on your last second, you can also use this tool which is frame by frame. You can use this for precise cutting. Once you record your video, tap on this record icon to save your cutting. And to find your video clip, we need to open File Explorer in our computer. Then go to the videos file, and here you can see I have found the video which I cutted from VLC media player. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.